In this Google Drive folder, you will find a ton of different design packs. Um, if you scroll down, you're going to see that they all have a different color scheme and they all have the same layout when you do open it. However, the colors in the backgrounds might change just a little bit or dramatically. So let's go ahead and let's dive into one design pack. And again, they're all the same. The only thing that's different is the colors and maybe some of the different layouts, but they all consist of the same different parts when we are looking at these different design templates. So again, let's go ahead and open one up. So right here with number 55, you can see we have a must do, should do, and aim to do list. Again, any of these have something very similar. So if I open this one, it's a must do, can do list. Back to this one, there's a choice board. Here's a choice board on this slide. And if you notice in the speaker notes, there are videos on additional ideas. If you want to change up your design pack, feel free. Maybe you want to use more choices than just 3, or maybe you just want to do 2. You are able to customize these however you want. Also, if you notice when you click in here, you're able to change the colors as well. So maybe you don't want this table looking thing and you want to create like a table instead. You're able to do that with these design packs. On slide 3, it's a this or that, and same thing here. Then when you go to slide 4, it's going to be station rotation. And then on slides 5, you have this station rotation drag and drop. And again, in the speaker notes takes you to another resource, or like maybe even the original design idea of who I've gotten this from. So again, down here in the speaker notes, you can see, and again, very similar designs, just the colors change on some of these. There's our roadmap available. And again, you can add or take away boxes. You could also change the design of the boxes if you wanted to. Here's a game plan. Then there's a timer. So for some of these, there is a timer to match them. Sometimes they're just a black timer. Again, it just depends on the design. But over here, you can click whatever time you need and it will pop up on that board. So again, you're able to click and it will take you to that time or a close time near that time. There's an agenda. There's a roll and respond. And again, you can come in here and change what you want your students to respond to or what questions they're being asked. There's a tic-tac-toe board. And then there's this game board. So again, students would have to do the top row. They change the color using the paint bucket. And then down here, they can do these in any order. But could be really fun way for your students to learn. And make sure, again, you check out those speaker notes for additional resources. And in this folder, again, there's so many different design templates out here that, again, you can use, and you can use the colors, and then you can come in and customize whatever feel you're looking for. Maybe you like these colors, but you don't want these lines. So then you could use this color palette, but you can change how you want that to look, or what you want to do. When using these design packs, you shouldn't, or you don't have to use all of these slides. What I might do is I go, oh, I want to use station rotation today. So I'm just going to go to File, and I'm going to make a copy of just that selected slide. Again, you probably don't need to use all of these different templates, or you can go in, make a copy, and you can say, I want to use slide 6, and I also want to use the timer with 8, and I also want to use the agenda, so slide 9, and my students are going to do that. So then you can delete all the ones that you don't need. These are just really good blended learning templates, and then you can add to it what your students need to do for the day. Also, these design packs can help with executive functioning because they're very laid out, they're organized, and then there's also a timer to go with them. So it can really help your students organize their learning. And again, you don't need to use all of the different templates in here. You can kind of pick and choose what ones you might need. And again, you can totally customize this for your classroom. And if you need help, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you and collaborate on this activity with you.